Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot by my viewers. How much money can you withdraw from Revolut in a day? Revolut is a great way to manage your money, and it's especially useful if you travel a lot. However, it's important to understand the limits on how much money you can withdraw in a day. In this video, I'm going to cover the following topics. What are the different types of Revolut accounts? What are the withdrawal limits for each type of account? How can you increase your withdrawal limit? What are the fees for withdrawing money from Revolut? What are the different types of Revolut accounts? There are 4 different types of Revolut accounts. Standard, this is the basic account that is free to use. Plus, this account costs £3.99 per month and gives you access to a number of additional features, such as cashback and travel insurance. Premium, this account costs £7.99 per month and gives you access to even more features, such as priority customer support and airport lounge access. Middle, this account costs £13.99 per month and gives you access to all of the features of the Plus and Premium accounts, as well as a metal card. What are the withdrawal limits for each type of account? The withdrawal limits for each type of account are as follows. Standard, £200 per day. Plus, £1,000 per day. Premium, £5,000 per day. Metal, £10,000 per day. How can you increase your withdrawal limit? If you need to withdraw more than the daily limit, you can contact Revolut customer support and they can increase your limit for you. What are the fees for withdrawing money from Revolut? There are no fees for withdrawing money from Revolut at ATMs in the UK or EEA. However, there may be fees charged by the ATM operator. If you withdraw money from Revolut outside of the UK or EEA, you will be charged a fee of 2% of the amount withdrawn. Conclusion. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Additional tips. If you are traveling to a country where you are not sure if Revolut is accepted, it is a good idea to have a backup plan. You can also use Revolut to send money to other people. Revolut is a great way to save money on foreign exchange fees. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.